In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Shopify code with Cursor AI. If you're looking for a way to streamline editing your Shopify code, you're in the right place. Let's get started with a step-by-step walkthrough that will make this process seamless and efficient. First things first, to get going, you need to install Cursor AI on your computer. This is the foundation upon which this entire method is built. Installing it is straightforward. Head over to the official Cursor AI website, and there you'll find the download link that's appropriate for your operating system. Whether you're using Windows or Mac OS, make sure you download the correct version. Once the file is downloaded, run the installer and follow the instructions on your screen. It's usually a matter of just clicking Next a few times until the installation is complete. With Cursor AI installed, you're ready to take the next step. Now that you have Cursor AI on your system, the magic begins with syncing your Shopify code to it. Syncing allows you to bring all the theme files from your Shopify store right into the Cursor AI interface. Start by opening Cursor AI and look for the option that says Sync, or a button that might indicate synchronization. You'll need to log into your Shopify account through Cursor AI to enable this connection. It's a seamless experience that quickly transfers all the necessary files and settings into Cursor AI, giving you a unified workspace. With everything synced up, you have the freedom to browse through your theme files. This setup allows you to make any changes and edits right within the Cursor AI interface. Think of it as your new command center. Every line of code you adjust is right at your fingertips, organized and easily accessible. Not only does this setup enhance the workflow, but it also reduces the risk of errors that can occur when you juggle multiple windows or tools. Cursor AI's intuitive design makes navigation easy, so find the file you want to edit, make your modifications, and enjoy the smooth integration that's offered. A fantastic feature of using Cursor AI is the ability to resync at any time. If you've made updates or changes directly in your Shopify store, you don't have to worry about getting out of sync. Simply trigger another sync within Cursor AI, and all your modifications will be reflected automatically. It takes the stress out of managing your online store's code, ensuring that everything stays current without any added steps. And there you have it. It's that simple. No complicated setup is required here. Just install Cursor AI, sync your Shopify theme files, and dive into a more efficient way of editing. This approach saves time and empowers you to manage your Shopify code faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!